If you are a keyless entry system user, you will be able to lock down your school doors at the click of a button, view employee and family door activity reports, view check-in codes, and change those check-in codes. To lock down your school, select your profile icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen. From there, click on the Lockdown School text. You will then be asked if you want to lock your doors. Click Lockdown, and the doors will be locked. It is important to note that only doors connected to the keyless entry system will have the ability to be locked. If you want to send an emergency alert first, click on the Send Lockdown Alert text. You will then be asked if you're sure you want to send an emergency message to all employees. Click Send, and that emergency message will be sent. To view door activity reports and check-in codes, go to the Reports tab. On the left-hand side of your screen, scroll down to Special Reports. You will find the Check-in Codes report, which shows all employee and family check-in codes. Go to the Employee Door Activity Report to see the employee codes that have been used and the time they were used. Go to the Family Door Activity Report to see the family codes that have been used and what time they were used. To change a check-in code for a family member, go to the Families tab. Find the family you want to change the code for, click the pencil icon, and you will see their family check-in code in the pop-up window. From there, you can change the code and click Update to save your changes. To change a check-in code for an employee, go to the Employees tab. Search for the employee you want to change the code for, click the pencil icon, and you will see their check-in code in the pop-up window. Update the code, click Update, and you should be good. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact your designated customer support representative or email support@childpilot.com.